If you could take Bitcoin, the most secure, trusted and established cryptocurrency, and give it superpowers. Sounds fun, right? What if Bitcoin could do more than act as digital gold? It could also enable decentralized apps, such as smart contracts, and even reward you with Bitcoin itself. Enter STX, a crypto project designed to bring new life to Bitcoin's capabilities without altering its core. Today we will explore how STX is turning this vision into reality and what it means for the future of blockchain. Ready to see Bitcoin in a whole new light? Let's dive into the world of STX. So here we're at the asset, we listen to our subscribers and educate them on everything related to financial assets. We discuss topics such as cryptocurrencies, stocks, bonds and ETFs. So if you are looking for more of these kinds of videos, definitely subscribe to our YouTube channel. So let's kick things off with what STX actually is. In simple terms, STX is a layer 1 blockchain that brings smart contracts and decentralized applications to Bitcoin. Unlike Ethereum or other blockchains which natively support smart contracts, Bitcoin wasn't built for that purpose. However, with STX, developers can build on Bitcoin's network, creating applications that benefit from Bitcoin's security and stability. Token, STX, fuels this network by allowing users to interact with smart contracts and applications on STX. STX essentially acts as an extension of Bitcoin, providing the functionality of a modern blockchain without altering Bitcoin's core protocol. But why should you care? Here's why STX deserves your attention. Smart contracts on Bitcoin. STX brings a whole new world of applications to Bitcoin. With STX, Bitcoin's blockchain can host DeFi apps, NFTs and more, giving it flexibility comparable to Ethereum but with the added benefits of Bitcoin's unmatched security. Earn Bitcoin rewards. With STX, you can stake your STX tokens, a process similar to staking, to earn rewards in Bitcoin. This unique earning potential means you are rewarded with Bitcoin, which has long been a preferred asset for investors looking for a security and long-term value. Decentralization and security. By building on Bitcoin, STX leverages the strongest, most decentralized network in the crypto world. This means any app or transaction on STX benefits from Bitcoin security, making it an appealing option for developers who want a reliable foundation for their projects. And the last one, the growing ecosystem. STX has been attracting a vibrant community of developers and creators, contributing to a diverse and expanding ecosystem of applications, from decentralized finance platforms to NFT marketplaces. The STX ecosystem continues to grow, driven by a vision of building on Bitcoin's legacy. So let's dive a little deeper in how STX actually works. STX uses a unique consensus mechanism called Proof of Transfer, POX. In POX, miners spend Bitcoin to mine new STX tokens, and this Bitcoin is then redistributed to STX holders who stake their tokens. This approach effectively bridges Bitcoin and STX, linking the two blockchains without altering Bitcoin's structure. Besides that, STX introduces Clarity, a purpose-built programming language designed for secure, predictable smart contracts. Unlike Ethereum Solidity, which is prone to certain vulnerabilities, Clarity is more transparent, making it easier to audit and reduce potential security risks. And also, all transactions and smart contract interactions on STX are anchored to Bitcoin. This means that every action on STX is secured by Bitcoin's blockchain, giving STX applications the same level of trust and immutability as Bitcoin itself. And instead of traditional staking, STX allows for staking where users lock up their STX tokens and in return earn Bitcoin rewards. This unique setup offers STX holders a direct way to benefit from Bitcoin's value growth, making it an attractive feature for long-term holders. By connecting smart contracts and applications to Bitcoin, STX creates a seamless integration, allowing for more secure, reliable dApps. So, to wrap it all up, STX brings new functionality to Bitcoin, creating a world where smart contracts, DeFi and NFTs coexist with the security of Bitcoin. By leveraging Proof of Transfer, developers can now build on Bitcoin's reliability and investors have a unique opportunity to earn Bitcoin by staking their STX tokens. STX is more than just another blockchain. It's a bridge expanding what's possible on Bitcoin's network and opening doors to a future where Bitcoin is more than just digital gold. If you want to buy STX, I would refer you to CoinMarketCap. There you can exactly see which exchange offers stacks and choose one based on your preferred levels of security and liquidity. Or look in the description of this video and see the platform we use to buy this coin. So there you have it. It is all you need to know about this asset. You now have a much better idea of this crypto before you start making any investment decisions. If you want to learn more or help us spread these videos, please drop a like on this video and subscribe to the channel. That will be so much appreciated. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you in the next one.